Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an example on how you can use my YouTube channel to your advantage. I get a lot of messages asking about specific problems after I post some videos, so this is a great way to do it. So all I've typed in here is Tom Morrison shoulder pain, and instantly I have a whole list of my own videos that have popped up with things that you can do. So a great one to watch here would be, could you be messing your shoulders up? And that tells you about different types of mobility and places that you may go wrong. Another great one here is protraction, retraction, and rotation, which is just all different examples on how the shoulder moves. If you want to improve your overhead position, that lat opener for shoulder flexion is great also. And if you are currently going through an injury, this easy test for shoulder rehab is an easy test for rehab is a great video to watch as well. So again, all you need to type in is just Tom Morrison, and then let's say back pain, and the videos shall come up. Morning tips for back pain, so that's something you can do right before you get out of bed in the morning. Last year I had a flare up myself, and I actually decided to video record whatever I did to get over it, and it only took 3 days to get over that. So those 3 videos are good if you're going through that currently as well. Back pain help with hip imbalance test. It's a really good video to watch to see if it's your hips that may be causing your problems as well. So you have everything here that you can think of. Tom Morrison, let's go for ankles and see what pops up. So ankle rotations is great. Ankle mobility circuit, that's a great one to do, and it's something you can do every day as well. So these are all just examples of things that you can do. And this one here, ankle mobility and foot strength as well. So it's a good 4-minute video with loads of different examples. And the importance of ankle mobility for deep squatting. So it just explains how your ankle mobility can affect your squat and things like that too. So you don't need to obviously watch them all. Just pick one that you find would be most relevant to you. Hit it up and leave a comment and let me know what you think.